Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So as you saw by the title, we are gonna talk about the new Galaxy S22. But before that, let's roll the intro. So, like every year, in this period of time, we see some rumors about the new Galaxy S top of the line. So in this case, we are gonna see the S22. And like last year, we saw the S21, S21 Plus, and of course the S21 Ultra that I also tried on this channel. So at the beginning of the year, we were waiting also for a new phone that could be a Note, but Samsung decided, as we know, to not make a Galaxy Note this year. I don't know why the reasons, because I think it was a very good phone. And this year, with some videos and some photos, we can see that the S22 Ultra, and I think only the Ultra, can replace the Galaxy Note. And in fact, the first thing that you're gonna see is the S Pen. So you're gonna have an S Pen inside the S22, and you can see it is pretty much Galaxy Note like redesigned, of course. So it is not a new design, so you have like the S Pen inside your phone, and that's pretty much it. So you can see from the front that the phone will have like a pretty big screen, and I think with a very good body to screen ratio. So you can see that it does have like very thin bezels, but I mean, this is all rumors and all renders, so we have to see, of course, the final product. But I think we will be close to that. And of course, the screen quality will be one of the best on the smartphone world. I mean, Samsung just make the best panels for the smartphones, and so with the S22 I think they will be on the top again. Then from the back you can see that there are some changes in designs, and first of all we're gonna see that there is a new color, and I think it is available only for the S22 Ultra, and so it is dark red. So it's a very new color for Samsung, but it could be cool. I mean, instead of the classic colors, we have also this choice. Then of course, the most important thing on the back, you can see that there is a new design for the camera module, and you cannot see anymore that big module and that big camera bump in the back, but you will see like a flat design with just only the cameras just popping out like a little bit. This will be very interesting, and will be very interesting also to see how thick and big will be the phone itself. Then of course we're gonna have like some very good performance, because Samsung will release the new Exynos chip, and from the first benchmarks I heard that it is pretty powerful, and in some cases can beat like the newest Snapdragon that will come out, of course, in the next month. So for now, this is pretty much all we know about the S22 and the S22 series. So if you are interested to that, just leave a like down below this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I think I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.